Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT package. Beautiful condition inside and out, really nice gray color with black interior. We're gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice. It's like a brand new vehicle. Very nice condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Front bumpers in beautiful shape, look at that. Really nice condition. Beautiful condition, look at those lower lights, beautiful shape there. Taking a look at the grill, grill's in beautiful condition, looks super nice. Nice chrome in the center there, looks beautiful. Hood's in outstanding shape, looks brand new. Very nice condition. Not a mark on it, looks very nice. Lower light on the driver's side, beautiful condition also. It's got the license plate holder in the front in case you need that. Really nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the front fender. Front fender on the passenger side, amazing condition, looks super clean. Not a mark on it, very nice. All right, let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield does have a little chip right there. Besides that, looks good. Let's take a look on the other side. On the driver's side, it has a small little chip down here on the bottom and another one here on the top. Besides, that's in beautiful shape. All right, take a look at the front fender. For the driver's side, amazing condition. Very nice. Little imperfection here on the paint. Besides, that looks good. Taking a look at the driver door. Driver door's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Quarter panel on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Rear hatch in the back looks brand new. Really nice shape all the way through. Super clean. Bumper's in beautiful condition. Very nice accent down there with the silver. Looks beautiful. Quarter panel on the passenger side, amazing shape. Looks clean throughout. Rear door on the passenger side, also in amazing shape. Looks clean throughout. Very nice condition. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful shape, looks clean throughout. Really nice shape. Looks beautiful throughout. All right, front fender, passenger side, beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the roof real quick. Beautiful shape up here, not a mark on it. No scratches, no dents up there. Looks super nice. Really nice condition all the way through. Super, super clean. Okay, that's going to conclude our walk around on this one. Really nice condition. All right, stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. We're looking at the driver door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Super clean shape. All the controls here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Really nice accent here, look at that. Beautiful condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Amazing condition. Very nice. It's got a mark here on this panel here. Besides that, looks good. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Really outstanding shape all the way through. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition, looks super clean. Look at that. Really outstanding shape. Look at the armrest. Very nice condition. Beautiful condition throughout. Look at that. Very nice. Passenger seat in the front looks amazing. Brand new condition. Not a mark on it. Looks very nice. Dashboard steering wheel, amazing condition. Super clean. Look at that. Looks amazing all the way through. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition, looks super clean. Very nice condition. Rear seat on the passenger side, beautiful shape all the way through. Not a mark on it. Looks very nice condition. Super, super clean. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Trailblazer LT model. Take a look at the key fob, super nice. Look at that, lock unlock, remote start, panic. So we're gonna set the key down here in the cup holder. Super nice. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start this baby up. It's got a push button start right here. So we're gonna press the brake, gonna push the button. There you go. So nice. Oh, AC is so good. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn down the AC a little bit so you guys can hear me better. Let's take a look at some of the features on this one. First, let's start out with the mileage. So this one has 14,968 miles. Super nice, okay. RPMs, miles per hour. Let me accelerate if you can see the RPMs, how they move. That is so nice. On the left-hand side there, you have the fuel gauge. Right-hand side, you have the temperature gauge. Down below, you can see it's in park. 125 miles till empty. Shows the mileage, just showed you that. It's got the lane alert there on top. On the right side, it has the distance from the front. So when you're driving behind a vehicle, it shows you how far you are. It's also got the compass there in the corner on the left. Super nice. Really nicely equipped. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other features on this one. So we have power windows, power mirrors, power locks, automatic lights, cruise control on the steering wheel. There's the collision alert button here, so you can set up the distance for the gap. See right there, I'm adjusting it to further away and closer. Okay, so that's super nice. So we have front and rear wipers. This is for the turning signals. I'll turn those right there if you can see them functioning fine. And the highlights. Okay. And we're taking a look here now at this for the information center. You click here like that, and it shows you, like if you have a phone connected, you can scan through that. Radio connection there, you can set up whatever station you would like to be on. Let's say FM there. And then it also has radio steering wheel controls back here. On that side, and on the other side of the steering wheel, the same thing. So you can control the tuning, and you can control the volume from there. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Looks really nice. It's got a little perforated look down here. Super nice. Okay. Dashboard's in amazing shape. Very nice condition. So that little square up there, it's got little lights in there, so if you do get close to a vehicle, those lights will light up and give you a warning. So that's nice. All right, dashboard looks amazing. Take a look at this thing. Beautiful shape, beautiful screen. Down below here, AC controls and the heater controls. Below that, USBs. Power plug right there. Automatic transmission, cup holders, parking brake release. Looks amazing. Super nice condition. Up above here, you have your courtesy lights. Check them out. Super nice. You have your OnStar, and you have your passenger light there, letting you know when somebody's in the passenger seat, more than 65 pounds. Take a look at the visors. Beautiful condition here. Really nice shape. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner does have a couple creases on it, as you can see there. Nothing major. Still in great shape. Beautiful condition overall. All right, and then in the center console here, we have a little space right there for storage. Down below here, we have a little storage compartment there. Super nice. Inside the glove box, we have your owner's manual, which is very nice. Really beautiful condition. It's got a little pocket here to store stuff. Really nice. All right, let's take a close look at the radio. Let's get a good view here. Show you some of the features on it. Right now we're on the radio station. We're going to go back home, and then through the settings, we'll go through the settings and show you some of the settings on it. Okay, settings. So this one has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so that's already set up. Okay, here we go. So there's the time, the language, the phones, the Wi-Fi, the hotspot for the Wi-Fi, the display, updates. Okay, that's the system information. And then that's for the vehicle. So you have team driver, rear seat reminder. That's nice to have. You have a small child. Lighting, power locks, and remote. So we're going to go into the collision detection. That way you can see all the safety features. It has automatic braking and alert, and front pedestrian braking. Okay, super nice. Let's go back again. And then we can go to apps. You have your audio, your phone, your OnStar. Okay, we just saw that a second ago. Let's go back to home again. And in here you can see Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the Wi-Fi settings. This is the maintenance for the vehicle. So that's the trip computer, the gauges, battery voltage, coolant temperature, maintenance. Oil life is at 78%, tire pressure sensors. Super nice. It's got a lot of features on this one. Okay, so let's go to phone. So if you had a phone set up, you would be able to see all the phones you have there in memory. There you go, no phone connected. That's why I guess it took a little bit of time to get there. And back to the radio station. So on radio, you click here source, and it shows you AM, FM, XM radio, and add a device. So we'll leave it on FM for now. All right, that's pretty much it. There's the lane, the lane assist right here, the keep lane, that's what they call it. Traction control, and then this little button here is to bypass the engine shut off. So when it's on, let me show you here. Right there, we're bypassing the engine shut off. There, it's on, see? So what happens there is if you're at the light or whatever, the car's already warmed up, it'll turn off the engine. Everything else will keep running, AC, radio, everything. And then when you go ahead and let go the brake pedal, it'll start right up. All right, fantastic. So that's pretty much on the interior. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set to take it for a little test drive. Here we go. Feels super smooth, a lot of power. Feels good. Drives really nice. That display is really beautiful. I know there's a little bit of reflection there, but it's a really nice display. Super clear. You can see the miles per hour pretty big there, and the RPMs. Really nice. Okay, we'll come up here on a little light here. We're going to stop for a second. All right, fantastic. Stops really nice. Here we go. I'm going to turn on this one. So nice. Super quick. You see that there? That. Well, I'll get close to the car. I'll show you again. But keep an eye on that little car there on the right-hand side, and over here is keeping us inside the lane. And that one over there is telling us the distance of the vehicle in front of us. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Okay, so now we're going to turn. We're going to find a little parking spot for you to check out the backup camera functioning. And that's pretty much our test drive. There you go. That little thing blinked there, got close to the car in front of us, letting us know that we were getting too close. All right, so let's go ahead and pick a spot here and back up. There you go, backup camera. Find a little spot there, back right up. Now those lines there in the center, see, depending on how you turn them, they wiggle back and forth. So right there, we just centered, and we're parked. Super nice. Okay, that's going to conclude our test drive on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the tires, take a look at the engine compartment, and the storage area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear cargo area in the back. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Super clean throughout. Not a mark on it. Looks super nice. Rugs are clean back here. Very nice condition down below here. Flip this up. We have our spare tire with all the tools. Brand new. Looks like it's never been used. Take a look. A lot of storage down there in case you want to store some more stuff. Very nice condition. Beautiful condition all the way through. Very impressive. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that, really outstanding shape. Looks super nice. Really beautiful condition. Super, super clean. Very nice shape. Let's take a look at the emission sticker right here. Really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side, amazing condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's brand new, look at that. Tire tread looks amazing. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice. Beautiful condition throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks brand new, really outstanding condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Take a look here. Beautiful condition throughout. Looks brand new. Very nice shape. All right, we're taking a look at the passenger side front tire in amazing condition. Rim is clean and outstanding shape, not a mark on it. Looks beautiful throughout. Very nice condition. Continental tires all the way around. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great used auto sales.com. Thanks for watching.